Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of blocked account on the application of REDnote. You will click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will scrolling down until you find this application of REDnote. In this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you